Weekend ZOMI people, an ethnic minority in Myanmar, Bangladesh, and India, are from all over the country right now in Tulsa for a 3-day conference celebrating their culture. Fox 23's Amanda Gilbert is live at the Mabee Center after learning why they all came here.
Well, Rick, today organizers told me that Tulsa actually has the largest population of ZOMI people in the United States. And ZOMI people are a minority group with roots in and around India. This weekend, ZOMI people are coming together in Tulsa.
For some people, it's like a family reunion because they were like when we, come from like Malaysia or Thai or Myanmar, we are like spread out, and this is like opportunity for family to meet together.
ZOMI Compi is a 3-day conference every 2 years full of important events like prayer, fellowship, and elections, but also fun.
And we also have like ZOMI Idol, which is like American Idol, but for the ZOMI people.
They play sports, eat and sell traditional foods.
This is actually our traditional scarves that we have.
The media team tells me everyone here is a U.S. citizen, but it's also important to celebrate their heritage.
We are not originally from here, so that's like a part of our identity.
Being a minority both in and around Myanmar and in the United States, this helps ensure the survival of their culture. And, one of the reasons for the connection to Tulsa, I'm told today, is actually Christianity and